Hey guys, back to another YouTube video. Today it's going to be a restoration video. Now as y'all may remember, a while back, I bought this screwdriver at a flea market in a previous video. I've already cleaned up the other screwdrivers. So today I'm going to clean this one up since I didn't have to replace the handle. First thing I'm going to do is wire brush the collar and the shaft right here to see if there's any markings on it. And if there isn't, then I'll go full restoration, use a sander, use my sandpaper to clean this up, and then refinish the handle. Let's go ahead and get to work. And since my wire disc on my angle grinder is worn down to where I can't use it, I got a wire disc hooked on my drill press. Alright, wire brushed it and got all the rust off. Sadly, there's no markings on this, but the collar is actually in really good shape. Minor pitting right here, but the shaft is going to need some cleaning, so for that I'm going to clamp it in my drill press and let it spin so that way I can sand it like that. The shaft itself's in good shape. I got to clean the top of that with my sander because the top of it's been chipped a couple of times. So let's go ahead and hook this in my drill press. Side. Get my sandpaper. Get y'all down just a little. Whoa, there you are. Yeah, I don't want y'all to fall, so let's go ahead and tilt the camera down just a little bit. There we are. So like I said, this is going to spin in my drill press, and that would make it easier to clean. Scoot y'all back just a little bit. There you are. Alright. Darn bugs. Got the handle shaved off. I'll get the rest of the sticker off off camera. And I like this blue dark finish that the rust is, the patina, the rust is left. So I'm not going to take all that off. I'm just going to fix the main top of this. So for that, I'll bring you all over to my belt sander. Let's go ahead and hook her up. Alright, she's done. Got a new tip put on it. And cleaned up the handle, cleaned up the collar. And what I do with my screwdrivers mainly is I will paint this handle, but then clear coat it. So in the next update video, I'll show this off, show it fully finished. So I guess as always, stay sharp.